journey. Starting your holistic health journey can be as simple as incorporating small, manageable practices into your daily routine. Begin with mindfulness exercises, set realistic health goals, and seek communities that support your wellness journey. Step-by-step visuals of setting up a meditation space at home, preparing a healthy meal, and joining a fitness class. Holistic health is not a destination, but a journey of continuous growth and learning. Subscribe to Holistic Health Vibe for more insights and tips on how to live a balanced and fulfilling life. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's grow together. Encouraging text animations, inviting viewers to subscribe and comment, with soothing background music winding down.